Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. In this episode we're going back to 2005 when this kit was re-released with new parts. The Lockheed U-2 A was first made in 1983. The sprues in this kit look a bit old, there isn't much detail on each sprue, but with only 53 parts it should be pretty easy to build. This next sprue is the biggest in the box. It has a big chunk of extra plastic on the top right, so make sure you have your modelling knife ready. The Lockheed U-2 was designed, built and first flown in total secrecy. It became famous in 1960 when one was shot down over the Soviet Union and its pilot Gary Powers was captured. The plane was revealed to be a single-engine spy jet with a huge wingspan that could fly very high, where it was thought to be safe from ground-launched missiles. I must say the decal sheets are in great condition. Have you built this kit before? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's take a quick look at the instructions and we can see how easily the parts will go together and the free paint schemes included in this kit. Well, that was the Lockheed U-2 A from 2005. Be sure to check out the Retro Unboxing playlist for more videos. We'll see you next time.